Welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to improve mental and brain health of children. A child's mental health is just as important as their physical health, particularly when it comes to dealing with stress, behavior, and academics. Different studies show that 1 in 5 children experience a mental disorder. One of the best things you can do to keep your child mentally healthy is to take care of your own mental health. Your kids learn by watching you, so make sure you set a positive example of how to deal with stressful situations and maintain a good mental health. When parents have untreated mental health issues, children are more likely to develop mental health problems of their own. This means that if you are feeling down, have lost energy, or notice changes in your eating or sleeping habits, you should talk with your doctor. These symptoms could mean that you are struggling with depression or anxiety. Children are at even greater risk of developing mental illness when both parents have mental health problems. So, if you or your partner have a mental health problems, get treatment. Research shows when a parent receives therapy or medication to address mental illness, children's mental health symptoms improve as well. In this video, I am going to explain some ways by which you can improve your child's mental and brain health. Encouraging children to indulge in reading for pleasure can enhance their cognitive and mental health. According to different studies, reading 12 hours per week contributes to improving brain structure and mental health. It's important to protect your child from trauma like abuse and bullying. You can't prevent your child from experiencing stress. Stress is a normal part of life, and learning to deal with it healthily will set your child up for success in future. A healthy diet, a good night's sleep, and a plenty of exercises aren't just good for your child's physical health, they are essential to mental health too. Teach your kids to develop healthy habits that will keep their bodies and their minds in good shape. Help children develop their self-esteem, which can give a significant boost to their mental health. You should teach your children how to develop their own self-esteem. To do that, provide genuine realistic praise. Saying things like, "You are the smartest kid in the whole school," won't help your child develop healthy self-esteem. Avoid praising things they can't control. Instead, praise their efforts and steer clear of exaggerated compliments. Help your child develop healthy self-talk. When your child says something like, "I'll never be good at math," it may be tempting to say, "Of course you will," but that won't help them develop a healthier inner dialogue. When your child says negative things, ask questions like, "What could you do to get better?" or "What's the evidence that's not true?" Help your child draw healthier conclusions. Play is not only important for child's physical health but also for mental health. Adults also need to play. Take time to put aside work, chores, and other obligations and focus solely on your child. Doing so shows your child that they are worth your precious time. If you notice that your child feels sad or overly anxious about normal situations like meeting new people, there might be a problem. Likewise, a change in mood or behavior that lasts more than 2 weeks could be a sign of a problem as well. Be proactive about keeping your child as mentally healthy as possible. But if you see signs of problem, talk to your child's physician about your concerns. Early intervention can be a key to treating problems as effectively as possible. This is all about improving the mental and brain health of children. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And for any health related question and query, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.